Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. It is Miss Yonnaa. I'm here with an Amazon. Wow. Hold on. I am here with an Amazon haul. I bought 4 pieces in total, and I just want to show you guys what I got because I actually really like what I got. So let's just go ahead and get into it because yeah, this piece right here, I don't know what these pieces are called, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have them on the screen right here. Let me give you measurements real quick. I am 4'11", I weigh 150, hips are like 42, waist is like 22, 23. I am a size 36 double D. So let's go ahead and get into this beautiful piece. So this is like a red shorts bodysuit. I feel like this is perfect for the summer. If you see me looking, I'm looking at the mirror behind you guys. I feel like this is so cute for the summer. And I really like it because I am a big boob girl. They hold the girls up without a bra. Okay, now that's a win for us because if you got big boobs, then you already know it's hard to find stuff for us. But I did get this in a size medium. The material is kind of like gym clothes material, but honestly you can wear this literally anywhere. It's so cute. I feel like if I wanted it tighter, definitely size down if you want it like skin tight, but I feel like the medium actually is perfect. It's not like, you know, I can't breathe or anything like that. And I've been wearing this around the house for like a couple of minutes and they haven't rolled up or anything like that. So I didn't know how good red looked on me until I got this. I'm feeling myself with this red. I don't know, it's different types of gym material, but this is spandex material. Like it will suck you in. It will definitely suck you in. Holding the girls up is just, I can't stress that enough. And it's like holding in all of my back fat. Well, most of it. Okay, you guys, so this is the white one in the same color as the red. I forgot to tell you guys that it does come with breast pads. Obviously I don't need the breast pads. It just looks weird when I wear breast pads because I'm heavier chested, but the white is like really cute. The white is so cute. Be careful with the white though, because it's not giving see-through. But then again, I wear thongs, so I wouldn't know. But yeah, it's not giving see-through, but it's literally the same material as the red one. Now I seen these on TikTok at first and I was gonna get them on the TikTok shop, but they were $30 on the TikTok shop. So of course I'm gonna look at all my options. So I went to Amazon and looked up the same thing and these popped up and they were only $19 at the time, but now I think they raised their price to like $29.99. so I don't know, you know, I'm gonna put the links in the description box anyway, but these are great outfits to work out in. I really love them. I will honestly wear this to go run errands though. I'm just that type of girl, like, you know, when you see somebody in the store running errands and they got on like athletic wear. But honestly, I don't think this is athletic wear. I think you can like do a lot with this. You can wear, I don't know, you could dress this up and you could dress it down. Like, I really like it. So you guys let me know how you guys are feeling about these 2 pieces so far. Okay guys, if you were seeing how long it just took to put this on, you would definitely say that I'm a trooper, because child, when I tell you it's tight fitting, like it's gonna enhance your curve. I'm not joking, okay? I wish you guys could see the full, but it's flare at the bottom. I'm probably gonna insert a camera view, but you know, flare at the bottom, square top. This is what really got me. The square tops just look better on women with bigger breasts. This is the side. Black. You know I had to get black. Black is a must. I probably get everything I get. I try and get at least one black item of whatever it is, because I'm just like a black fiend. Black, it just looks sleek and just clean. I love black. Black goes with silver or gold jewelry. This is something I definitely would wear in the gym and out of the gym, honestly. Like, is it not giving? Now granted, I have been like picking it up a little bit, because I don't know, I just really wanted to fit to the T. But I appreciate the flare. I don't think this is tall girl friendly. I do want to say that. But I'm not sure, because usually flare on me, because I'm 4'11", will literally like be touching and dragging on the ground. So take that like how you will or whatever. But I'm not sure for the tall girls. I'm just gonna keep it a buck. I'm not sure if you like around my height. This is really cute, but I mean, you could try it out and always send it back. I got it off Amazon. I'm pretty sure if you get it, you know, wherever you get it, you can take it back if it don't fit. You see, I still got the tags on, cause who not me acting like an owl. Anyway, okay, what do y'all think about the black one? Black flare, same quality as the other two, same size. Everything I got is a size medium. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. Yes, girl. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, I think this is like really cute for the summer too, like with some nice oil. Let me go get some oil. If you ain't on a vino, get on a vino. I don't know if you can see it because that light is so bright. But yes. Okay, let me stop talking. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. Okay, babes, how are we feeling about this green? I decided to buy a color that I don't usually buy. I have a lot of black in my closet, so green is very minimal in my closet. So I'm trying to get out of that, just out of that zone, and buy different colors. So I decided to go for, of course, that red and then this green. What do you guys think about the green? I actually think I like it better than the black. 360. What do we think? Okay, so for the bottoms, they are flare, both sides. Obviously, I do feel like it slides down a bit, but you know, you can always pick it up, I guess. But who wants to like continuously pick it up? But these also came with bra pads, but you know, I take them out. I don't do the bra pads. But same material. If you like it, buy it twice. Buy it twice. Buy it twice. Buy it twice. Don't be nice. Go ahead and buy it twice. Is it giving? No, it's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Don't even play like that. It's giving. So yes, like I said, everything is a medium. I know this was kind of a fast haul, but I do give these pieces all 10s. Well, I'm gonna say 9 because they were falling down a little bit, and I didn't like that. Like, I keep having to like pull it up and like cinch in my waist a little bit. But for the most part, I definitely give these a 9 out of 10. I really love the quality, and I really love the main reason I bought it is because it's a square top, and I don't know, I'm feeling it. I love how it looks on me, and yeah, so overall, like I said, yada yada yada. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys get these pieces, and if you already have them, leave a comment down below because I want to know how you guys feel about these pieces. And if you get them, let me know too, and let me know how they fit on you. I do think this is true to size. I usually wear a medium, so, and I bought these in a medium as well, so I say these are true to size. Sorry, that's my neighbor's car. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and bye. I'll see you in the next video.